mask. Oh, thank you. Smells like other people's faces.
What happened?
I didn't even see her.
See who, Dad?
Your mother.
Dude, it's only me!
I'm scared, man. You were right! That French giant is evil!
Look, if we stick together, we can beat Mom! All we need is a little time to come up with a plan.
Beat Mom!
Okay, I think we're safe here, buddy. Darwin?
Go on without me.
I'm not gonna leave you here!
It's too late for me. You're the only one who could save this family from insanity. I saw the flag from the tree just over that hill.
No! No!
Just go! Just go. Don't move. I'm winning this thing. I don't think so. One of mine, huh? You know it's for the best. Want to get a sandwich? Yeah.
Thank you, Darwin.
Hey! I'm out of the game! I was on my way to get a sandwich!
Sorry! Right. Let's end this.
Looks like you led me right to it.
Enough! I have won! The game is over!
Not until you've shot me. Then you'll finally join me and be a winner.
I don't want to be a winner! I'd rather be a disappointment to you than live like this.
What? Gumball? No. Disappointed? I could never be disappointed in you. I just saw your potential, that's all, and I wanted you to reach it. I'm sorry if I upset you. Please, just take the flag, my little trooper. You've earned it.
Thanks, Mom. Did you just try and shoot me in the back?
No?
There! You happy now?
Sorry.
So, you gonna take down that chart now?
Yep, Gumball won fair and square.
Typical. I was just about to make a breakthrough with my turkey scissors.